Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video we talked about the insert into command where we learned how to add new records to our database. So today we are moving on to the new command called update command, which is all about modifying the existing data in a table. So we already created our company DB database where we have employees table in it. So let's run this query to check the information which is present in this employees table, and these are the records present in this table. So the basic syntax of update command looks like update table name set column to any new value. We can mention any number of values. And also the most important thing is the where condition. Here the update table name tells SQL which table we want to update. Here we list the columns we want to change and the new value we want to give. The where condition, this part is super important. The where clause tells SQL exactly which records we want to update. So without it, SQL will update all the rows in a table. So usually we don't want that. So let's say from the employees table, you can see these are the records which are present in employees table. For the employee ID 4, I want to change the email from mike@gmail.com to johnson@gmail.com. So to do that, I'm giving updates command, table name as employees. I am setting email column to a new email which is johnson@gmail.com. And the most important thing is where condition. So in where condition I am mentioning I want to change this email to johnson@gmail.com. For whom? For the employee ID 4. So what it indicates is I want to change the email to johnson@gmail.com for the employee ID equals to 4. So let's run this query. At the bottom of the screen we can see update command is successfully run, and let's see whether this information is saved successfully or not. Let's run this simple select statement, and it fetches all the data, and you can see for the employee ID 4 the email gets changed to johnson@gmail.com. Earlier it was mike@gmail.com. So we successfully updated the email column of an employee ID. In similar way, let's update few more columns. I want to update employees table. I am setting email to porter@gmail.com, comma, and I am setting another column called department ID to 3. For the employee where employee ID is 1, so I want to change for the employee ID 1, I want to change email to porter@gmail.com and department ID to 3. So let's run this query. We can see the successful message at the bottom of the screen. So to verify the changes, let's run this query. See, for the employee ID, email gets changed to porter@gmail.com and the department ID is changed to 3. So this is how we can update single columns or multiple columns using update command. So before wrapping up this video, always double check your where clause when updating data. So if you leave it out, you might accidentally update every row in our table, which is not recommended. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.